Welcome to A Dash of Story with Donna Lynn. Today I'll be showing you Creative Memories Feeling Bright card kit. I like to add tape runner and foam squares to the card kit. Let's look what's inside. It comes with a sturdy box, instructions, and it comes with 12 coordinating envelopes that are decorated inside. It comes with 12 cards that are already scored for you in nice heavy cardstock. And it comes with all the embellishments numbered 1 through 12 for you to make 12 beautiful cards. Instructions are included for each card, but you're also welcome to just do your own thing and be as creative as you want. So I'm using tape runner. I'm going to start with the piece 1A and attach that to the card. Then I'm going to use tape runner and attach 1B, etc. until you're done making your card. For the embellishments, I like to use foam squares because I like to give it a little extra dimension and pop. You can play around with using foam squares, using regular adhesive to see how it looks and what you prefer. For instance, the sun, I'm just going to use regular tape runner so I can tuck it behind. I don't need everything to be 3D. And same with the extra cloud. Your cards will come with sentiments, but if you don't like the sentiment that's included with that card, there's a ton of bonus pieces that is included in each kit. So I went ahead and went through all the pieces to decide which I want to do, and I'm going to end up making a birthday card. Remember to sign the back of the card with your initials or your name because you did hand make this card. Select a coordinating envelope and you're good to go. Go ahead and do this with the next 11 cards and you're going to have a beautiful set of 12 cards ready for any occasion. If you'd like more ideas or to place an order, visit adashofstory.com.